Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And guys, this is the continuation video of loops in C programming and it is part 14. So guys, in this lecture we are going to discuss break statement in C programming. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss about the break statement. So guys, the break is a keyword in C programming and the break is used to terminate the execution of loop body and transfer the control to the next statement following the loop. And break statement can also be used to terminate a case in the switch statement. So whenever it is encountered in switch case block, the control comes out of the switch case. Moving further guys, so if we are using nested loops, the break statement will stop the execution of the innermost loop and start executing the next line of the code after the block. And the break statement is almost always used with if and else statement inside the loop. So guys, now let's go ahead and we'll discuss the syntax of break statement. So guys, here it is the syntax of break statement. So we need to use a break keyword and then we will simply put semicolon after the break keyword. Now guys, moving on to next topic, and that is when we use break statement. So guys, basically break statements are mostly used in two situations. So guys, break statements are used when we are not sure about the actual number of iterations for the loop, and in the second situation when we want to terminate the loop based on some condition. So guys, now let me open up the Turbo C++ compiler. So guys, in this program we will learn about break statement. So guys, in this program this break statement will be executed if this condition is true. So guys, in this for loop I have assigned 0 to I and I am using this condition I less than 5, so 0 less than 5, and this condition will be true, and then it will check this condition. So 0 equals to 2 and this condition will be false. Then control will go to the else block and will execute this statement, the else statement, and then I++ will be executed. So the value of I will be 1 and 1 equals to 2, so this condition will also be false, and then control will print the statement from the else block, and after that I++ will be executed. So the value of I will be 2 and 2 less than 5. Now this condition is true and now it will check this condition. So 2 equals to 2. Now this time this condition is true, then it will print this statement, the break statement, and then break statement will be executed. So now control will come out from this for loop and print this statement from the main function. So guys, now if I run this program, it will print two else statement from the else block, break statement from the if statement, and then it will print the statement after loop from the main function. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.